This phone offers a 9,000 mAh battery, 3nm flagship chip, and IP69K for $320. Is it true, or is Redmi fooling us? Redmi offers features that you'd pay $1,000 for on Samsung and iPhone for just $320, but there's a big catch. Hey everybody, welcome back. I've just unboxed the brand new Redmi Turbo 5 Max, launched literally yesterday. Is it a true killer at the price? Let's find out in this quick first look. Inside the box, you get a phone, a protective case, a charging brick, and a cable. The build is impressive from the outset, with a CNC metal frame and a glass fiber back panel. Such a design would have been unthinkable for a model at this price a couple of years ago. And thanks to the latest iPhone, now the orange color is very popular. Undoubtedly, the color actually looks vibrant and eye-catching. Powering the device is the world's first MediaTek Dimensity 9500X chipset, built on a 3nm process with an all-big core architecture. In benchmarks, it scores over 2.61 million on Antutu. Gaming performance is solid. It runs Honkai's Star Rail at a near-stable 60 FPS on high settings, thanks in part to its decent cooling system with a large cooling cover area. The second highlight is its massive 9,000 mAh battery. Redmi claims over 2.3 days of battery life under heavy use. It supports 100-watt wired fast charging, and there's also 27-watt reverse charging that can quickly power up your earbuds or even another phone. The front features a 6.83-inch AMOLED screen with ultra-narrow bezels, a peak brightness of 3,500 nits, and 3,840 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. It also has an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, IP68 and IP69K resistance, and improved stereo speakers. So from all here, you can see Redmi's efforts put into its great gaming performance. As it's named as Turbo, Redmi emphasizes performance, but compromises it for a dual-cam combo at the back, led by a 50-megapixel main camera with a large aperture. Although the main cam here is enough in daytime, the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, clearly thrown in to make up the numbers, really shows their limited budget. Anyway, here are a couple of samples for reference. On the software side, it runs on Xiaomi HyperOS 3. Now, the HyperOS 3 overall experience is smooth and responsive. There's excellent system-wide haptic feedback, and transitions feel fluid. Xiaomi has also introduced useful AI features, including real-time video subtitles and smart image text recognition. Daily navigation and multitasking feel snappy, which complements the powerful hardware well. As for its network compatibility, the Redmi Turbo 5 Max is best suited for Europe, while in the US it's basically good, but you need to check out some missing bands that may be used in rural areas. However, it is quite common on most Android phones, and please note that we provide this information for your reference only. In Europe, compatibility is excellent. The phone supports all the major mid-band 5G like N1, N3, N28, N78, and B3, B28 frequencies for 4G, ensuring great speeds in most areas. The primary limitation is the lack of support for the N20, B20 band, which is widely used for broad coverage. You might experience a weaker signal in some rural areas compared to a phone that supports this band. In the US, compatibility is basic to good, heavily dependent on your carrier and location. While it supports the important C-band N77 and has low-band support with N5 for 5G, the absence of other bands like T-Mobile's N71, N2, and N66 should be noted. This could result in a lack of 5G or even 4G connectivity in certain rural areas, which may lead to reduced signal strength indoors. So, here's the quick verdict. The Redmi Turbo 5 Max delivers flagship-level performance, an unbeatable battery, and a refined software experience. But here's the key question. Does it give you the best value for money? Let's quickly stack it up against some other recent contenders in a similar price bracket. This makes the Redmi Turbo 5 Max, starting at just about $320 in China, arguably the most competitive, affordable performance model right now. It doesn't just match, it kind of refreshed expectations for what a phone at this price can do, offering a unique combo of the fastest chip and the largest battery in its class. We'll be putting the phone through battery tests and gaming tests in the full review very soon.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming full review. If you can't wait, check out the model in our store, Geek Wheels, and we'll deliver it to you soon. So what would you like us to test in the full review? Drop your questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quick look, give us a like and share. See you in the next one.